Hello everyone, I'm Brent Reimers. I'm a distributor with Young Living, and today we're going to go over 3 products from Young Living. It's going to be part of their Thieves line. The first one is the Thieves Mints. Nothing better than after a bloomin' onion or something that gives you some funk on your breath, then popping in one of these right after breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They are very small and they have a great peppermint flavor. Next, we're going to talk about the Thieves hard lozenges. These have a little more powerful flavor of Thieves to them. I really taste the cinnamon and the clove in it. And they are going to be a little white, a little yellow. What I like to do with these is whenever I need a little Thieves boost, I'll take one of these. But for a PT test, or if you're going to go running or go for a walk, normally your mouth gets extremely dry. So I like to pop one of these in, and it keeps my mouth moist the entire time that I'm doing exercises. That's the Thieves Hard Lozenge. The last one is going to be the Thieves Cough Drop. Yes, I said it. Cough Drop. Because this is one of our over-the-counter products that we can actually say it helps with something. It's a triple action formulated. It helps you suppress coughs, it soothes your throat, and it also helps cool your nasal passage when you take one of these. Of course, this is without sugar, artificial flavors, dyes, and preservatives. So whenever you're starting to get a little sick, pop one of these babies in your mouth, and it will almost instantly make you feel better. As you can see, it's a little whiter than the lozenge. It has for me, I can really taste the peppermint in these compared to the Thieves Hard Lozenges. If you got any questions, feel free to contact us on Harmony in a Thunderstorm on our Facebook page. You all have a great day.